Alright, this is the notes for finding slope from given just 2 points without actually having a graph or a picture to look at. Say the formula for finding slope given 2 points is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, remember that slope is rise over run. So your y's go up and down and your x's go left and right. So when you put it into the formulas, your up and downs need to go on top, your left and rights need to go on bottom. So the y's go on top and the x's go on bottom. Okay, so label your 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then plug your numbers into the formula and simplify. So for example here, again the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you'll start by labeling your points x1, y1, x2, y2, and then plug them into the formula. So y2 here would be -5 minus y1 would be 2. Okay? Then x2 would be 0 minus x1, which would be -1. Okay? Subtract the top, subtract the bottom, simplify, reduce your fraction, you'll have your answer. So -5 minus 2 in the numerator would be -7. 0 minus -1, these two negatives really make a positive, so 0 plus 1 is 1. So your slope is -7 over 1, and that actually reduces or divides evenly to give you a slope of -7. Okay, so plug in, subtract your y's on top, subtract your x's on bottom, and then reduce at the end. Alright, example 2. Again, your slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to start by labeling my points x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so on our formula, y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is -2. I have to have this minus from the formula, and I have to have this negative from plugging the number in. Okay, then we have x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is -2. Again, I have this minus from the formula. I have this negative from plugging in a negative number. I have to have both. Okay, so on the top, a negative minus, 2 negatives there really make a plus. So this is 1 plus 2 is 3. On the bottom, same thing. Those 2 negatives is really a plus. 1 plus 2 is 3. So your slope would be 3 over 3, up 3 over 3. Okay, but this actually reduces or divides to give us a +1. So your slope is 1. We want to see it reduced all the way down to 1, not 3 over 3. Okay, so subtract your y's on top. Okay, that would be your rise. And then subtract your x's on the bottom, and that would be your run.